Hello, my name is Daniel Prey. I'm recording for Building Finance, Module 1. This is a photo of me and my family in the background. My father and his wife, and then my brothers and sisters and their families around. I teach in Rock Creek USD 323 School District, located just outside of Manhattan, Kansas. I've taught 3rd and 4th grade for 4 years. Before that, I taught 1st and 2nd grade. I also coach a wrestling team at the high school and the junior high level. I am the Kagan coach for the district and for my building, and I also serve as the negotiations on the negotiations team, along with several others throughout the district. So I wear many hats, and I think all of that will prepare me for my future role as a principal or assistant principal, athletic director, whatever my path may be. I feel like I've had some great experience. I think in the future I will teach at the 5th and 6th grade level also, so I'll cover 1 through 6, and hopefully that'll keep me very marketable. I also feel like I want to be an administrator to support teachers, support them with knowledge, support them with relationships, support them with structure and discipline for kids. I want it all. My strengths for finance specifically, I teach finance classes through Dave Ramsey. I have been through the program and then teach it, I would say, on an annual basis. My wife and I also go out and help our friends, family, and people that we offer the class to, help them with their budget and looking at what they can do, and just getting all the information is step one. So that's what I'm really excited about, is just getting all that information. I'd say another strength is also looking at numbers. I love to look at numbers, whether it's wrestling numbers, stats, data, financial numbers of my own personal budget. How much are we spending on groceries? How much are we spending on entertainment? And crunching those numbers. I just really enjoy, that's kind of the nerdy part of myself, is that I really enjoy looking at numbers. My weakness is I want to please. I want every teacher to have everything they want to make their students successful. And I also say I just don't understand a building budget. And that's kind of abstract to me. It's kind of out there, just something that's so big and all the little things that I'm probably forgetting. But I do know at the end of the day that the school has to balance their budget, right? We're not in Congress, and we are dealing with real numbers and have to look at not pulling out of the reserve, because you're probably not going to have a job for very long if you can't do step one. I feel like finance is the second most important piece of being a principal. This is one of the classes that I'm looking the most forward to, and I feel like the first one is relationships and building those. So thank you for watching my introductory video, and I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to learn and grow with the rest of you.